Make a video for this. This is a Disney USB fan in my dad's car. It's car's theme, which is quite coincidental. Originally, it wasn't in my dad's car, it was just in part of my collection, but I decided to use it here about a year ago or so, even more. He was a side band here, which had different car characters on it, but I didn't like it, so I removed it. Vents. USB plug. It is cheap. I don't remember how much we got it for, a few hundred or so. Maybe even not even 100, but it's so cheap. Moves okay air, not the best air mover, but it does move air. I'd much prefer having a black metal fan here, not a red tacky Cars theme fan or something like that. I'd rather have a metal black one, just it'll be more practical and more sturdy. Brushless DC motor, by the way, it's getting dirty. You know, it's on constantly when it's in the car, as long as the engine's on, because, you know, even in winter, because it's a closed car, so it does get warm. Anyway, there you go, thank you for watching.